Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of the law of vibration. This universal law states that everything in the universe is in a constant state of vibration, including our thoughts and emotions. In this video, we'll be discussing how our thoughts and emotions affect our reality and how you can use the law of vibration to create a life of abundance, happiness, and fulfillment. Let's get started. What is the law of vibration? The law of vibration states that everything in the universe is vibrating at a specific frequency, including our thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts and emotions emit a vibration that attracts experiences and circumstances that match their frequency. This is why it's so important to cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, as they attract positive experiences into our lives. Your thoughts and emotions have a direct impact on the reality you experience. Negative thoughts and emotions emit a low vibration that attracts negative experiences and circumstances, while positive thoughts and emotions emit a high vibration that attracts positive experiences and circumstances. So, it's important to pay attention to your thoughts and emotions and make a conscious effort to focus on the positive. Now that you understand the impact of your thoughts and emotions on your reality, let's talk about how you can use the law of vibration to achieve success. Here are a few steps to get you started. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions and make a conscious effort to shift your focus towards the positive. Cultivate positive emotions. Engage in activities that bring you joy, practice gratitude, and surround yourself with positive people. Visualize yourself achieving your goals as if they've already come true and focus on the positive emotions this visualization brings up. Take action. The law of vibration alone isn't enough to bring about change. You need to act towards your goals and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. The law of vibration is a powerful tool for creating a life of abundance, happiness, and fulfillment. By paying attention to your thoughts and emotions and making a conscious effort to cultivate positive ones, you can attract positive experiences and circumstances into your life. With practice, you'll be able to use the law of vibration to create the life of your dreams. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.